Revolutionize your bandsaw and upgrade your woodworking capability with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kits. Hi, I'm Product Specialist Leslie here with the Rikon 18-inch guide upgrade kit. This is an economical, easy-to-install solution that will help you improve your performance and increase your blade life, get straighter, faster cuts. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides and is perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of a solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes a performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple blade design dramatically enhances the accuracy and the overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 bearings are fully adjustable to allow for an unmatched accuracy in a variety of bandwidths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch and comes complete with proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machine guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for your Rikon aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality, American-made Bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thank you for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Leslie, Product Specialist for Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.